We're here live this evening. This is the Upper Live show. We do this every Tuesday, 9 p.m. right here on UK's finest TGM Radio. Good. And remember, if you want to be part of the show, all you need to do is just contact us, Upper Live Show at gmail.com. That's the email. And if you want to be a part of the viewing team, just log on to our social media, Instagram, Facebook, Upper Live Show, straight across the board. Good. Right, we've been here. This artist we're going to be featuring to you now is a veteran artist. He's been here in the UK for a while. He's been doing dance and music for a good while now. I should say the best part of 20 years, if I safely say that. He's been highly controversial. He has his ups and his downs, but he's always a person to speak his mind. He has a quite intriguing name, which I've never yet asked him what the meaning of until now. Fowlie Don is here. Good evening to you. So welcome to the show. How you doing?
Yeah, man, I'm great. Bless up yourself. Upnlive. You don't know the whole team. Big up on yourself. It's nice to be here. It's a pleasure.
Of course. Finally.
After 5 years, brother.
We get
People.
beaten already.
Yo.
Listen,
People.
we don't give him cuss out already.
People,
so.
you hear that?
All
5 years.
5 years.
Upnlive have been hunting the Dan.
No, sir. We're not hunting.
No. I'm just saying, because
We're
it's
not
5
on-
years.
I'm
It's
joking,
5
I'm
years. So,
joking.
you know.
From there, Art Love Radio.
Surely.
We invite you a couple times, well. And
Surely.
one time for forward, and something, man, we never reach. We got Flames, same thing,
Don't listen. Nothing happens before
it's
time.
time. Before the done there.
You want man, Upnlive,
And there's lots
when
to
the time
talk
is right,
about.
the time is right.
And
Now is
there's-
the time. The time is right now.
And there is
So, you know,
lots
it's
to
Upnlive.
talk about.
Sure, man. You know the whole Swifts, you know.
Exactly. We're not gonna really go down to the cliche interviews
Nah.
like who are you and all of that because everybody
Okay,
who
no
there.
problem. That's no problem.
We just want to have a chat, yeah?
That's no problem. You know, say I mean you, Mr. Speaker.
Exactly.
Okay.
So what's good for Fowlie Don? What's happening for you now?
Well, you know that Fowlie Don is a brand, you know. So you know that, I have to present the brand to the world. So, there's lots going on now.
So you said the brand Fowlie Don. So Fowlie Don as a person, Fowlie Don as the artist. What are the other brands of Fowlie Don?
The other brand of Fowlie Don is make sure, say, you see when it come to reggae music and dancehall music, we always like see the growth,
Right.
the development of dancehall. You get what I'm saying? Because we love dancehall.
Right.
Every bloodstream in me is
Right.
dancehall,
Yeah.
reggae music. That's what me know.
Right.
You get what I'm saying? If you
Yeah.
ask me about any other genre of music, we can't really give no good detail about
Right.
it. But when it comes to reggae music and dancehall, we are there. So we always like to see the development of dancehall anywhere in the world.
Yes.
But that some would say, contrary to what you're saying now, you've probably lost your way over the last, say, 6 months to 12 months. In recent thing, you're more of a social commentary
Yes.
person
I was about to
rather
say
than
that. Yeah.
an artist. How
No.
would you respond to that?
Well, that is maybe your idea or how you see the views. But you see, after a while, when you see how dancehall is going, and you as a person that have a voice as an artist, and you have to make sure you forward out and speak of what's going on. You get
Yeah.
what I'm saying? Take a break from the music because you see what's going on in the music. You see the ups and downs. You see what can be done. You see the difference. You see no artist breaking through. So wait, what go on? Nobody not talk. Everybody just all right with it, and everybody just comfortable when there are so many talented people to come through dancehall and nurse who is nursing them. You get what I'm saying? So me as a youth, we grew up through the music and know that love is the key of music.
So you feel like you were directly responsible for taking up this mantra to say, all right, listen, we need to start set on things. Because you were doing music, you were releasing music. Obviously, that was going on.
Always
Right?
been releasing music.
But then we just see a switch, a turn that forward and a rant.
Yeah, because you are going on, I realize that you are going on because you have been around dancehall, especially here in the UK. I've seen so many talented youth around me
Right.
and around the circle because me as an artist who represent dancehall worldwide and I'm here in the UK, and me know the genre of music I'm forwarding from.
Yeah.
I know the love that they give to me back those times. And if I don't see no love showing to the younger generation or who trying to break through or who trying to do music, I know exactly where it's going to end up.
Right, because
It's
you've
gonna-
gone through that experience.
Yeah, it's going to be a talented person that waste. So if nobody forward out and speak, because that's why I'm say One Dan TV.
Right.
But before I said One Dan TV, I was always playing my friend them song
Right.
on Facebook
Right.
for years.
Yes.
The Shanty Force.
That's what I was gonna say. You're the person who introduced Shantiverse to me.
Like, let me ask you this now. Now, a lot of people that say you run kind of come the wrong time because they would say you run come when UK music is on a up, UK dancehall is on a up. But people want to say you come with a negative vibe. Why you should be putting out music? Why did you decide to go run instead of song and you say like, there's the wave, now is the time to ride it?
No. I've been putting out music for years, bruv. You get what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted.
No,
Follow
but why you go run when the UK dancehall been so hot?
No, UK dancehall wasn't hot.
No, what year when UK dancehall hot and all people talking about a UK dancehall?
No. What I'm saying to you, Jagan, yeah? When I was speaking about UK dancehall, it's before all these bubbling things.
Right.
It's all before these glamours, these glitters, all before. So enough of them where you see a rundown about UK dancehall.
Yeah.
Listen, I don't speak to people mostly if they don't have any accolade in music. You get what I'm saying? Most people in UK dancehall now, if you ask them about anything about UK dancehall, they can't give you a clue.
Right.
I have been there. I have been on the journey.
Right.
I have seen where it's struggle. I have seen brilliant artists go down the drain.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So it's not like Fowlie Don. Oh, Fowlie Don just attack and want to be in the crop. Fowlie Don always be in the crop.
Yeah.
I am one of the most brutal artists you can ever see on a stage.
All right.
Performance,
All right. Talk to us about One Don TV now. When did it start? Was it during coronavirus time or before coronavirus time?
Before coronavirus.
Okay. So you started One Don TV because you saw, as we rightly said, talented artists out there not getting the push that they needed to do.
True.
Right. So out of that aspect of doing One Don TV, how many artists have you seen from your promotion and you're supporting them that are now on the rise to going on to better things?
Listen, most of them.
Most.
Most.
So you're saying that your work has been impactful
We can't give him credit for two.
in helping.
At least.
No,
at least.
I want to hear.
No.
The reason
know
why I'm
what?
asking.
At least Upnlive can say he can give me credit for two.
Yeah.
But
All
listen,
right.
listen.
I
It's
want
not-
some names. That's why I'm
what
asking
gonna
as
say
well.
to you, it's not about the credit. Fowlie Don does not work for credit.
Understandable.
Fowlie Don work for understanding of the business.
I understand.
And the future of dancehall.
Right.
Not for the credit. Not for somebody to come out and say, yes, Fowlie Don was the first one to start talk about me, or Fowlie Don was the first one to
play my
highlight
music,
me.
really,
No,
right.
I can't do that.
All right. So you have One Don TV, and that's going on fine. Fowlie Don as the artist, because remember we're talking about Fowlie Don the brand. Talk to us about Fowlie Don the artist. You released a couple songs the other day. And the time frame between the last song that we know and this one, was it because you were focusing on One Don TV and other things, why you kind of took like a, because I would say you took like a back step towards
Yes, because
music.
remember.
And I guess that's where your question, Rick, was
that's
spinning off
okay,
from.
Rick.
Yeah.
Remember, I'm a human being.
Yeah.
I go through personal things.
Right.
I go through family issues.
Right.
So if I should break it down to you, because sometimes it's a bit emotional. I don't even
No,
want to.
no, don't.
I'm going to show you something. My father, my father went through a situation
Right.
where I become the main person.
The soul,
Okay.
Yeah, I see
So I have to
Focus on that.
A two
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
It's either you love him, or it's either you continue to seek success,
Right.
or you continue to do your music.
that.
Right.
Our focus on your
I
family.
focus on my family.
Right.
My father is the one that showed me enough things in life. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So I have to say, you know what, Dan, you are going. You all beat me, you know. You have got to take a kick back in the music for the time being and go and deal with the father.
Yeah.
So I take a little break.
Yeah, I
Right.
saw that.
And
as well.
nothing is wrong with
Yeah,
that
yeah.
because
You
I
get
mean
what I'm
saying?
priorities.
That was the break that I take.
Right.
That was the only break that I take. Maybe, as I said, for maybe
Yes.
4 or 5 years.
Right.
Because of the situation I become the main provider for
That
him.
is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a
So
problem.
therefore, if every week I have to make sure that
Him have to
whosoever
win fair,
is caring for him,
Have the
they
little
are-
package.
so
Yeah.
take a break, Dan.
Yeah, man. Big
Then
up for that.
you
Dan,
forward back
Yeah.
and drop back the bomb.
Right.
Yeah. But more have a question for you ask because I realize say a lot of you artists who season in the business is not connecting with the younger generation of artists like the Nitros, like some of the younger producer like the DJ Nate and some of the younger UK producer una bridge that gap there, una mesh because obviously you put out this song recently, Shake, and me see like Nitro have some nice rhythm, the bass line them punchy and thing, and I feel like say some of you guys as seasoned veteran in the business, you should ease back off of the way you call it that bossy cockiness or whatever they want to call it, and just reach out to some of these artists because some of these younger guys don't know about some of you veteran. So some of the time, nothing wrong with holding out the olive branch and say, yo brother, me like the bad. How you go? Can we get a voice off it and stuff? Because a lot of do it with big producer Jamaica, but we don't do it to the upcoming
UK
producer
one.
in the UK.
No, you can't say that. Maybe you're speaking of some other people.
No, I'm just asking. I
No,
don't
no.
see it happen, so
Listen,
me
listen,
ask.
I can't speak for a Dan Boss. I can't speak for
Yeah.
a Rudy Classic or in these situations.
only
I
speak
can
for
speak
one
for
Dan.
only Fowlie Don.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I have always reached out to young producers. I have always reached out to producers.
And what has been the reception when you've
What
reached
have been the
out?
reception? Because me know
Because,
Nitro
listen.
good enough, so
Listen, sometimes...
fear song you know
No,
shake.
I have never reached out to Nitro.
Right.
Yeah.
To be honest, I've never reached out to Nitro. You get what I'm saying? But sometimes when you reach out to other producers, sometimes you reach out too late. The rhythm already out.
Yeah.
So, what is the next project?
Okay, so for those, because you can't always reach out to producers and
That's
they
what I'm
always
saying.
late. So what happened to the producers then when you reach out to on time? What has been that reception like?
Yeah, sometimes it's all right. Sometimes they send you a beat and they
And
put out
you
the
work
song.
with it?
Yeah, of course. No,
Okay.
no problem.
I feel like get up on a little blacklist. You know?
No, they
Because-
can't. No, they
No,
can't
let me
put
explain
Dan
why.
on blacklist.
No, let me explain why. Not for Dan himself, but I feel like for the person you are and the history you have, I think that the main players then they don't not readily accepting your music as how they should. Because I understand, not for the song that we do, they're very, very effective. Like Brock Gal, obviously, that can play in a party and get a response.
Yeah,
But
the
I
broke on it a show, yeah.
Yeah.
Bad song.
Me not see them a gravitate to Fowlie Don like oh me know they should be doing. It's like something there what we not see.
Is it because of
No, I'm going to show you this. It's all about, listen, it's all about teamwork. One Dan never have a team.
Okay.
It's always Fowlie Don.
Okay.
So every time you see a Fowlie Don out there, even if you voice a song for certain producer,
Yeah.
they don't give you no strength in it. They don't ask you about a video shoot. Cause most producer when they voice, it's like they broke. They don't have any money to spend on your product.
Yeah.
So you as the man now, you have to find everything.
Everything.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So instead of me, instead of me go and voice 6 songs for somebody,
Yeah.
and I have to do the work, why not do it for me?
So why don't
But
you
hold on, Fowlie Don. That's done on you as the artist to formulate your team
Yeah.
to get your product out because you are the artist.
it's your
Yes,
product.
what
It's
I'm
your
saying.
product.
I understand
Your
that.
product.
I understand that. But sometimes,
Yeah.
this is UK. The team is so hard to find.
No.
You- well,
I
you don't
know
need
you
a
must know
big
people where you say, okay, you
Listen.
must know about one man where you say, all right, he's good at that.
Jagan. I know
Yeah.
people who are good at it. But sometimes people go through their difficulties. Sometimes, listen, right now I'm working, I'm going to put it
Yeah.
this way. I'm working with a young producer.
Yeah.
Yeah? Put it this way. Young producer, me and him family, I will say,
Yeah.
all right then,
You're gonna
we're
do
going
this.
to do some work. I'm just
Right.
going to show you one example.
Right.
I'm we're going to do some work because I say, you are going, you want to be in music and you
Yes.
want to put out your song and you want to do some work. You
Right.
get what I'm saying? Okay, fair enough. Project lineup, we start put out project. Then, what did he do? What did he say? Eh?
We don't know.
What
What
I'm
did he
going to
say?
tell you. After all, and he was well up to it and
Yeah.
everything. Then he just jumped and said, he's going to take a break.
who that?
Oh, hold on, Fowlie Don.
No. Tap it nice.
Fowlie
no,
Don.
tap it nice.
I'm not going to mix up. I don't want to know, but
No,
you
no,
want
no,
me
but
there.
I'm just going to show you, say,
That-
sometime
it's
when you
it's
think,
difficult, yeah,
when
yeah,
you
yeah.
think you find people,
Yeah.
you don't.
Yeah.
So you have to keep on moving.
But
Yo,
okay,
me have a writ against you know. Me have a writ against mother say 80% of UK artists them because you know. Uno marketing strategy weak, shaky, bad. And
Which is true.
Yet still, uno blame selectors for playing the music and say nah playing a dance. And if me wrong, tell me say me wrong. 2-3 years ago, was UK dancehall find the formula to mix with the dancehall where I come from Jamaica we play in a dancehall? Yes or no? And then you continue. Just yes or no, because I'm going to finish the question.
Of course, yes.
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 Yes, all right.
I'm going to...
You say yes.
No.
And me say no.
I'm going to correct that for
Yeah.
you. I'm going to correct that for you. You asked me yes or no. Was UK dancehall up to stack? I hear you talking before.
Up to scratch. Up to par.
Up to par. Yeah. Listen, enough song that was coming out of UK was up to the scratch. Many was not. So it was vice versa. It was some and some not good. It wasn't everything that wasn't good.
And next thing, when I hear this about the UK artists, them, when you send a song to certain man, I expect everybody to have it. And I say go.
No.
Hold on.
No.
UK don't have a platform.
Listen.
Hold on, Fowlie, let me finish
You're
answer.
talking. No. You're talking to Fowlie Don.
Yeah.
You're not talking about other artists.
Fowlie Don. All right.
Go
Let me
ask
talk to
me
Fowlie Don.
how-
Fowlie Don.
Yes.
Fowlie Don, you send your song to certain people and everybody have it. But you expect DJ to send it go give DJ and this and I saw it go. Most of the time, let me tell you this, all time this thing when a man beg a man a song. People don't really beg people song, no, not even new vibes called the
That's
people
what
don't
I'm
beg people.
saying to
but
you,
hold
bro.
on a Fowlie Don. You don't have a platform over here where the UK dancers song them there who can download them. If me hear one Fowlie Don song in a one dance, if you don't send it, come give me, or me no go out and try YouTube it some of the time because I would say between 50 to 60% at the time when the song is not even on YouTube. And when it's on YouTube, nobody not playing YouTube quality because YouTube cut the quality of the music. So when you play on the big sound, it's sound crappy.
Yeah.
So there's no domain for us to go to get your music. And most of the
that.
time as a DJ, let me finish the Fowlie.
Make him finish.
Okay.
Most of the time as a DJ in a UK, me tell you the truth, I'm gonna look and say, yo, I'm gonna ask, nothing is wrong to support the artist and buy him song. But enough of the time I'm gonna say, boy, I'm gonna go buy his song, you know, me feel like I should download it for free because the song the boss, but me just like him more guitar strength. Seeing? We don't not platform where we can upload a song like what we download our song from. Which platform we
Let me hold on.
No, hold on. So what I'm saying to you, yeah? That boy belong to the producer them part now because of the producer them are releasing song. Hold on, me done. Me voice a song for you. Yeah? Me voice a song for you. You Jagan, me voice a song for you.
Yeah.
See? Okay. Your production. How are you going to look about your production? You want the world to see your production. Ain't you going to make sure say your production
Yeah, but we can't leave it solely on producers.
Hold on. No, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Ain't you going to look for the producer, make sure say everything is out or on every platform. The artist, listen, brother.
Yeah.
You see the artists them? Artists, when you put too much pressure upon artists. Listen, Bounty Killer does not mail out a song.
Right.
If Bounty Killer voice a tune for a producer.
No, he does.
Hold on, no, I'm going to show. He will blast. He will
Yeah.
blast.
Yeah.
He will blast.
But
Yeah.
that is what we're saying.
Yeah, he will blast.
Yeah.
He will blast a song because
Yeah.
it's Bounty Killer.
Okay.
But sometimes, as me say, it's a coordination. Most artists in the UK, you get what I'm saying? Every man at work, every man a do them hustling, every man a fear bear this. Some man a chip and chip out of the music, some man a chip and chip in at the music.
Yeah.
Some man a do the music full time.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? So give thanks to the people them where do the music full time. What about the
Okay.
people them where you can download them song? It's not every artist in the UK you can go on the internet and go find themselves song, of course, but you can go on the song on internet go find other artists.
No, hold on.
Remember
Before we go any further,
Before
we go any further, I must point out that Starpoint Entertainment has created a website for UK artists to send their music to them to be published, for videos and songs to be accessed. So there has been.
Repeat that again. I met them here.
Yeah, but Starpoint Entertainment
have a
they have created a website.
But anyway,
it has been launched.
Let me put up my hand because me say something and me strongly objective of that. You say,
go on, Juggle.
most of them artists in the UK will have a 9 to 5 and this and that.
No, most of them, yeah.
Most of them. Typical for all musicians were in our segment and dancehall, right? You see, I think it's a Bounty Killer. don't send out certain song pan blast because you wanna know what they are UK. Do we have a structure? Do we have a body?
We don't have a body.
Hold on, no. Do we have so hold on now? In order for your song make it what you need to do, that means that you as an artist you need to work twice as hard.
But
as
listen,
who
me now.
Foley,
Listen,
hold on,
no, man. You go down the G and then
Wait.
Let me show you something now, bro.
As a man from yard.
Alright, go on, talk.
You need to work twice as hard, just like our selector. See?
No, 3 times.
No, just like
Three
our
time,
selector.
man.
Watch it now.
3 times.
Watch it now.
Yeah.
See right there. Sometimes we gotta work whole man and make we gotta work come in. We have the farm for the but yes we have we'll have to answer your what. Go through some song, fix up a little create, go to some music, listen one hot. It take time and work, just like our artists need to put in some work. And you still have to make appearance a place and still try keep it relevant in a
really
dancehall.
my beat artist a write song.
Eh?
Artist for voice.
And
Who artist a voice for? Producer.
It's not.
Yeah,
Where
but
the
hold on.
We need
The producer now.
to turn down
Listen.
some producer.
No, that's why I'm telling you.
For-
It's not producer, it's reducers.
Hold on,
Most people that putting out
let-
music,
let's-
most people that putting out music
Yeah.
in those eras
Right.
are reducers.
Right.
That's why you could forward on this live and tell me that some of the product was not up to standard.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
But-
because they weren't paying attention. They just have rhythm and feel like they can do something.
And I
But
say
Fowlie,
that
at the
without-
end of the day,
let's-
you as an artist has to take your music career into your own
Me,
hands.
that's me.
And I'm speaking to you and speaking to other artists, and we've said this over and over again on this platform. When you voice a song, yes, obviously, producers have the opportunity to showcase their work because I them produce the beat. They want to showcase their talent. That is their opportunity to do so. But at the end of the day, producers aren't going to run with your career.
So-
you hold on.
so-
You have to make sure that your songs are on the various platforms. That you yourself you're marketing your product on every platform that is social media platform, email blast, whatever it is. And you said earlier that not everybody can make a team due to various reasons. But
Yeah.
in order for things to work, you must have at least one or two people.
Listen.
In
Rick,
it. Let me done
when
my
Rick
point.
start
Sorry,
out,
can I done my point?
when Rick start
Can I finish
out-
my point?
You know Rick start
Can I
out?
finish
Make
my
sure
point?
you finish first.
Thank you very much. You must have at least one or two people.
No, that's good.
One or two people who are in your corner who can support you, who can support you and your career, because you need the support.
It's always.
Voicing a song, putting it on
Always.
social
You always
media,
need support. You
send it
always
to me
need
on
team.
WhatsApp. Sending it
No,
to
no,
me
no.
on
You
Wha-
always
it is
need
not
team.
going to work.
No,
It's
you
not
always-
going to work. You
That's
have
why.
to put in
That's
the work,
why.
bro.
Listen now.
You have to put in the
Listen
work.
now. That's why. That's why. These days when you're hearing a Fowlie Don, when you're looking for a Fowlie Don song, you can't find it.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
That's true.
Because you are going. You see, in a music, my brother, you don't write off people.
That's true.
And you don't hold down nobody. You say if a young producer say Fowlie Don, back in at the time I say Fowlie Don, me have a rhythm.
Yeah.
True me know the love of the business.
Right.
Me go give them the strength.
Right.
And them give me the strength. But watch it now. You see now, if I'm not done with at the highway. So when a producer call me, you call me as a producer, Rick.
Yeah.
And you say, listen, me now done. You know, I like how your sound, and I have a one rhythm, and I feel like it can fit you. I'm want to do something with you. I'm say, all right, me need for all the talk with you, I'm forward with you. I'm say, all right, then I rhythm this.
Yeah.
What plans you have with Fowlie Don and this rhythm?
Right.
What you have everything in line, like the videos and things, so everything in corporation.
Right.
So you don't go back to where you did far shorter
Right.
from early.
Right.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So Fowlie Don now,
Whole package.
yeah,
Basically.
you get what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
we already give people the chance to tamper
Right.
and do what they want to do. No
they
one
never-
can do that no more.
And they never did that.
No.
Well, I reply to one comment.
Yeah.
Ricardo Ryle say, how much DJ spend 79p to buy a song and play it and even put it in a playlist? Roll on Ricardo Ryle. Let me go vice versa with this now. How much are you artists support a DJ? I'm not talking
Playing your
about
song.
cutting a dub plate because you want a DJ to play your song, but genuinely support a DJ because it's too much time DJ get the blame I'm not.
Listen, bro.
Hold on, hold on.
listen,
Let me
listen.
just finish this. Let me finish this.
No.
Let me
No.
finish fine.
Let
me finish.
Listen, there has to be some form of listen. There has to be some form of order.
Yeah.
Order.
Let him
Fowlie,
Let him finish.
It's
and
so
then-
much time.
You think
So
you're
much
your
time.
life?
Hold on, no.
Hold on. You think you're for your life, sir? You're
So
in
much
our
time.
studio, so you can behave yourself.
Alright.
Let
Well,
record finish
Ricardo
his
Royal,
point, and you will continue.
Me not bash you, 'cause Ricardo and Bertie. It's so much time.
Defend you.
It's so much time.
Them
Me
can't
see-
champ
Li-
away.
no,
see
but
artists-
listen to the point.
me see
Listen to the
artists-
point.
Send up plate come give selector just because they want a promotion,
Yeah.
right? And some of my time, some DJ run down, sometime them run ready. And you have to understand this. In the market or it's a very competitive market.
Right.
If me as a DJ, I don't think your song is up to par with some of the song that want me up mix and juggle. Me as a DJ, remember my career on the line for this. Say me play a song where the people must stop party and them would like so. Remember my career is on the line for that. Remember, you have to understand this. And as an artist, some of the time when I send an artist to a man and him not play it, we can take criticism.
No, but
some of the time,
he
a
asks
DJ
you-
no like on a song.
Listen, he asks you one question and you still never answer.
Which question him ask?
Ricardo Royal
the
asks you
79
one
piece.
question.
Where marks?
And
Can
all
we
you
not
have
see?
to
We
do
not see
is listen, it's all you that's what you answered a while ago. That's all you have to do is said yes or no. He said
It wasn't a
how
question,
much
it was
of
a
you
statement.
selectors buy a song from an artist?
Me buy me.
You buy a song.
Yeah, I buy
Rick,
song
have you ever
sometimes.
buy a song?
Yeah, I buy a song. Me no buy it.
No.
Me
Rick,
can
have
show
you
them
ever buy a
iTunes.
song?
Every month, me buy.
Okay,
Me can-
have you
me
ever
can-
buy a
of course, me can show
okay,
my iTunes now.
I'm going to ask you again.
Yeah.
Have you ever buy a
Eh.
song from an artist that based in the UK?
All the time.
course.
And I
Alright.
woof a song me buy.
Okay, so Ricardo Royal,
Yeah.
Jagan have spent money on
the
songs
Upnlive
here
show
and
team.
Upnlive show.
Let me follow
So
Thank you.
that
Me-
alright.
let me
That
follow back.
alright.
Me can
Jagan.
post my
Hold on,
iTunes.
hold
Me
on.
can
Jagan.
post my
Hold on,
iTunes
Jagan.
list.
That alright.
Right now.
So that answer.
Well, I
Cool.
need to follow back on one question as well. So this person in the comment getting
What's the
involved in it.
person's name?
Mafia artist from
Okay.
Northwest.
Yeah.
Big artist. as
Female
well. Good
artist, yeah.
She go on with. She said, iTunes. She said, let me read that text. iTunes, Spotify, are loads where you. She basically saying there's loads of platform where you can buy or stream music. But the problem I have with that, as a DJ, I understand what you say, Mafia, and I agree with you. But also, you have to take in consideration, a DJ cannot buy every song. So this, what Dragon was
Come on,
saying.
buy cartel them.
What the free download site them get knocked?
No, listen.
Okay.
Let me explain to what I'm saying. What we're saying is for artists to find a site exclusive to UK to promote their UK music here. I
Are
understand.
you promoting Starpoint?
We are endorsing.
We are endorsing. So
Yeah.
okay,
That is one. That's
people,
the only platform
the
that I know
artists
about.
them-
No. Let's no.
Wait,
let's,
before we
let's-
jump there, let Rick finish the
let's
point,
answer
and then
to
let's
Mafia.
let's
So
let's
the
do
reason
that
why
first.
we're saying we're trying to exclusively keep it here, so the UK art, because I'm not business work in Jamaica.
No.
I do, yes, me live there, but me live in England now.
Yeah.
And yes, so we there. So we are focused on England side. So we need to find a site where everyone can find the music from UK, and yes, so it there. I agree, say yes, you need to buy people music, but if I check how many songs up on my hard drive, I jog on hard drive now, how much thousand, I can afford to pay that because I have bills. So if me go buy 1,000 songs to play, because me sure jog on more
Even
more
at this year,
than
in 2020,
1,000 songs.
even at
I can't afford 1,000
more than
pounds.
We
50,000
understand that.
songs.
We understand
play.
that. We understand that.
So-
So some you buy, some you download. It's simple as that.
Exactly.
But you are going now. Some you buy, some you download. We understand that. But give thanks to the people them and give thanks to the
Support.
selector them where
Right.
we support a artist song same way and give thanks to the
Yeah.
selector them where download a song where them can't get
Right.
respect.
Yeah,
We
but
move on.
hold on, Fowlie Don. As a selector, because you have to think about it. As a selector, we are basically being brand ambassador for the artist. So when we play a song, especially at a major event, that means that we get a song the stamp of approval. Say it's a
Yeah,
good
yeah,
song.
yeah.
Go listen.
Definitely.
So hold on,
And
no.
support.
As a brand ambassador for any brand, I could call right across the board Smirnoff, Guinness,
Yeah, yeah.
Nike, Adidas. Guess what them do? Them give some free things and say, go and go champion. it.
And
Make people see your look.
And-
So just like what the arts say, I say, and every now and then you can like say you support the thing I say, let me straight in the UK, I go buy 2 songs. Right? But every now and then that's why we say there's no site for the DJs to download song. Because remember, no, we in a time where it's a technology time. Nobody, the common folk don't download song. Them stream
Yeah,
it.
but-
Them stream it, and artists do
Jagan,
get revenue from
Jagan,
stream.
Jagan.
Reva, to be honest, I
Jagan,
never knew
I'm
about
gonna-
you
I'm
until
gonna-
this
I'm
year.
go- I'm
I'm
gonna- I'm
sorry,
gonna say
but
this
it's the
to you.
truth. But I will
That's
support.
why most artists now, because they are money in the business. So artists, listen, artist does not want to put their tune on really download side where you can go and download it. Just spend a 79p or 59p or 79p.
yeah.
But that is
Do you
ending your
understand what I'm saying?
career.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Let's agree to
Do you
disagree.
understand what
Because
I'm
I don't
saying?
want to keep.
Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because see what going on now. It's screaming. Nobody no want like on a free song nowadays. So when
That's
time
true. And it
all the
soon
people,
stop.
it soon
As
stop.
Ricardo
I remember
Royal.
them try cut it out, you know. No more free song download and copyrights and all these
Can't
things.
cut
You know. It can't cut out because there will always be websites. But
this-
most artists not really look on the free website them no more.
Fowlie Don.
It's,
Let me just explain something to
Yeah.
you.
Dragon,
Most
make it quick, yeah?
most media house and producers, they let go the rhythm. They, if I realize they go up on certain site, they say promo version, right? They let go the promo version on certain
Some
site.
rhythm you can't get them.
Eh?
Some rhythm you can't get them.
Certain rhythm, certain song off fight, they don't let go.
And certain rhythm you
You have
can't
the-
get them.
so-
No matter
some
how
of
you
them-
dig.
Wow, like
Certain rhythm.
What the
certain
instrumental?
Yeah, the instrumental. Them and them
The
something.
probably because they don't release it.
They can't.
Exactly. That's why you let go the promo version with the artist so you get traction. And when I think get traction because obviously if you're promoting something, somebody have to know.
So okay
what
then,
you
we're
have.
basically saying that the UK dancehall is short of promotion when it comes to releasing
That's what I'm
song.
saying.
Yeah.
Promotion.
All right, listen.
I'm not going to beat you on
Relax,
that. I
relax.
believe in that, but I think they're making a step where it's going to be better.
It's better.
With
It's
people
way
like you.
better than it was before.
For
Yeah.
listen, we don't want the interview to continue upon this because we know this can't continue for a while.
Talk.
So let's just change the topic.
Social
Yeah.
media.
Social media. For instance, nowadays I seen there was a rift between you and Daniel Bless. Let's focus on that for 2 minutes.
When is the fight? Or the fight?
There is a fight that
cancelled.
we see that promotion for that fight,
Him
and then we
no-
see it
him no-
together upon live.
Him say what you call it?
Me
Wait.
don't know.
When
Talk
you go doctor and check up.
Lord
Wait.
Jesus.
Enough
Do
it.
a checkup this evening.
Enough it.
Danny-
We got Danny Bless.
Same now,
Dan-
fight
no,
for
Danny
that,
Bless.
for that, if you
No,
are-
Danny
Is it?
No, Danny
That's what him
Bless.
say?
No, Danny Bless.
Hold on,
Right.
I have a
No,
loose
Danny.
weight, you
No,
know.
Danny.
Hold on,
No,
hold
Danny
on.
Bless. Say, listen, me now, Dan. Right now,
Yeah.
me an artist. And me know want when me ready for run up on stage, me teeth them gone and you get what I'm saying. So leave it till next year.
So
Wait,
how,
wait.
did, how did it start?
Wait, yeah,
What
how did
happened?
that start?
Yeah.
What was the whole? Because me
Yo,
know,
because you know say Danny Bless and me bridging from long time.
So was it
It's-
clout?
No, it wasn't. I don't do clout.
So
I don't.
did
I
real
never do.
serious?
Was it a real vexation of spirit?
No, he was vexed. I
So
never
what
vexed.
were you?
So-
You laughing?
No, me just tell him say yo, can you go back it out? Cause I don't
No.
want to see you have to kick with your foot.
Leading up to that,
So-
your life. Let's speak about your life that you done the day before.
Yeah.
Speak about that. What
Yeah.
make them remarks there about Danny Bless?
No, I
Say
never.
them all beat him.
I never said I was gonna beat Danny Bless. I'm saying.
No, you said them are gonna beat him.
Yeah, because
Your
listen
people
now,
them.
Listen, now, Danny Bless is
One
a very,
done, no fight.
Danny Bless is a really controversy person.
Yeah.
And so,
But so are you.
so it's Fowlie Don.
No, I'm not controversy. You can't tell me one
come on,
controversy what
bro.
I've done.
Danny Bless, are you this controversial?
Yeah, but it's Danny Bless who made
Wait,
the blast.
so-
Because Danny Bless,
So
you know,
him start it then.
I went on my social media.
Yes,
and
this
I-
is what
and
we
I'm
want.
defending UK dancehall.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, okay, Danny Bless, for a man that been around the business for
Uh-huh.
so long, in dancehall, in and
Yes.
out, I come see you as a legendary youth. We key party, we out there, we do the whole shebang of dancehall.
Yes.
One night time, Danny Bless is one of the column
Right.
of UK dancehall.
Pillars, in my
Yeah,
point
yeah,
of.
yeah. When dance, people are looking and see Danny Bless in forward, and look short man, and him set him table and do well. So when him forward now, I see him a do him thing, but me realize say, it's not about UK dancehall, it's about mix up. And me I say, this youth you know,
Him say I make them know it's not mixed up.
no, this youth you know where know about dancehall and they run so much
Yeah.
artists. So I'm saying to Danny Bless, I never said nothing wrong. I'm saying, Danny Bless, listen, I think that this is my belief, bruv. You
Yeah.
get what I'm saying? There are too much negative out there talking about, and people running down negative.
Fowlie Don, talk you how you gonna
No, I'm telling you, I'm saying there are too much people talking about negative out there. So I think you should change your platform. Not change your platform, but use your platform for uplift UK dancehall. Because listen now, you see all of them shebang thing where you are going with Ronia and I call up people name, them all beat you.
Okay.
So that's the point now
Yeah.
where whosoever screenshot or whosoever give him back the message, give
Yeah.
him back the wrong message.
So okay.
all right, moving on to the next
No, no,
game. Danny Bless start him live. See?
Yeah.
And you know, I think it was about school run time.
9 o'clock.
No, man could sleep. Somebody call him 6 o'clock.
man
Man
was
could
Just drop my
sleep.
pin them guys school. And before I come out of school yard, me
This
have
was
to give it up
after
and full
8.
like so I'm like Jesus Christ,
Listen,
not safe.
listen, bro.
See? And then I see like everybody attack Fowlie Don now. So I say I walk go on. Cause Danny Bless come on and run to somebody diss him.
Hold on, man.
And
Wait,
he might call
wait,
Fowlie Don.
wait,
Hold on, let me finish. And he might call Fowlie Don and he might say, Fowlie Don, this, you diss me, and where I was disappointed in you, whether it's a joke or not,
Yeah. I
because
never
it was a
read it.
serious runt, you tell him go suck him granny. And Mr.
And
Danny Bless nearly cried.
unfortunately,
I must say my granny just dead. Fowlie Don, you're dead.
No, but
I don't mean to
but
laugh,
hold on.
but
No,
it
no,
was
no.
a serious
no,
situation,
no.
bro.
I did say that to him. Because I was lying down in my bed and I was watching the news, and when me look, me see people attack me.
Yeah.
So me I say, what is now? Me do some bam. Me and Danny Bless say, call over crowd over here. So me say, call over crowd. Them look, me see me name. And then me and Danny Bless, I say, yeah, man, you're this man, the boy Fowlie Don. And me I say, this Fowlie Don, Danny Bless. Anyway, then me I find out today, you know. All right, me watch how I go. So me get up out of my bed and them I say, tag him. And me I say, yo, I'm going bathroom and brush my teeth and get my face and go for my coffee now. So me join the live when me look now, I man, the next bridge in there.
I don't remember his
where
name.
him catch up.
yeah.
He might Danny Bless and the man the way where you sip on live, you know.
Catch up already.
So
Catch
don't
up
you
already.
think that was a punch below the belt?
Which one? If you tell him
Suck
boy
him
granny.
Yeah.
After then you know hurt him and you say tears are crying
Yeah,
from
but
the man.
Don't
do you
you
think
Do
that
you
was
think?
that you went
Fowlie
too
Don,
far
yo.
with that?
Listen.
As a big
listen,
man, so my time,
listen,
when
big
you're wrong, you're wrong.
Big man or boy, me tell you
Yeah.
this. No boy no style me. But anyway, me turn back to him. Remember in I see in conversation, I turned back to him and I apologized. And I said, Danny Bless, I'm sorry to tell you about your granny.
Yes.
Okay.
Didn't I?
Yes, you
I
did.
did.
apologize.
You did. You
I
play,
did.
you play
You
a
did.
big man there,
Yeah.
so, and that's what me like.
Oh, watch it now. When
Yeah.
me say that, you know, the
Yeah.
man not done, the man still a carry on.
Because
Man call
no,
on
the-
crowd.
no, how Danny
Listen, the man,
stay.
listen,
You know, Danny, yes,
listen. Danny call on crowd 8:30 in the morning to 9
true.
o'clock to 10 o'clock.
True.
Yes,
Yeah.
when 7 o'clock come, Danny Bless call on one next
So
crowd
hold
again.
on
you
there.
know.
Let me ask one question. Where you? Which live Danny Tumpy Wall? Were you on that live?
Which one?
You know, remember when
One-
him Tumpy
one
Wall?
boxer kicking
And me and him was on that live.
So how the part the forward up
Because
now?
you are going to know. We say, all right now, Danny Bless, you are going to know. You know, say a boxing ring. I find when I want to take some car park, me I have to go box
Beat out the other.
and win and rare.
So,
So,
I mean,
I went up one place up so I go do some chaining.
Boxer, you
Yeah. I'm up there
cannot
chain.
manage.
I'm
Yeah,
chain and the man say, yo.
So
You ready?
Yeah, ready.
I shot Danny, you go train for fight.
Yeah, so what me know when me forward, me do some bam and join me live and me I say, yeah man. And him a show me say, yo, me a knock you out and start thump your wall and me your hand go me I say, no, Danny. Danny your hand,
So-
Danny your finger they mash up.
So maybe that's why I put out in the fight.
No, him never. Then Danny Bless no after Dan Big Zeeks now. Big Zeeks say, all right now, you are going now, the fight are real you know. And
Yo.
Big Zeeks go on his phone and say, yo, me no talking, me no joking thing we do, you know. Big fight and Zeeks go on his phone.
As God be my witness.
Yo, and Zeeks go on his phone and go so, and call up one big man boxer where have some professional business where my highlight boxing and say, yo, I need this fight. And the man say, all right, I'm going to give you this fight. Just when Danny Bless hear that, Danny Bless say, Danny Bless.
a joke, you know, make.
No, he call Big Six and say, listen,
A joke.
you know, if the fight you go on, me need ambulance. Me need your
Oh yeah,
ambulance.
if you take out his vest.
True.
Yes.
He might protect him well-being, but you
Where,
know.
Yeah,
where
but
were you?
put
How
fun
did
and
you
joke
miss
aside.
this one?
It's good
I
fun.
would pay up to 50 quid to just
go and
get
watch
watch
this.
it.
No,
No,
I
pay 50,
would.
50 quid entrance just
I
to go
would.
watch it.
Yeah.
And buy drinks
Listen,
inside
listen,
too.
I'm
listen.
buying my drinks.
Listen,
Everything all right.
Listen. The fight with me and Danny Bless is going to happen.
So we have a date.
No,
Ladies
no, no
and
date, you know.
gentlemen, boys and girls.
Danny Bless say make him go and deal with his career
We never get
and
to
make him
unseal
sit
of
down
the keep, you
to
know.
December
True,
for
me
next
want.
year. So we have it in line. Because it's nice. It's a look.
I don't feel like anytime possible you do it, it's still like create traction. Because people want to see it.
Me want,
Yeah,
me
me
want
want
to
to
see.
knock him out.
Remember
you know.
nobody now have mash up body no cause
Yeah, me nah knock him out
get
bad.
the thing them with
The
the
helmet.
on the head and the
Yeah.
T-guard and
Big
things,
up
so-
Danny Bless, man.
Yeah.
Big up Danny Bless. And
You
I say
you know, he's a
if
talented
I
youth.
get beat up in a one boxing fight, I say go.
Yeah, man.
Like,
Yeah, man.
listen.
You know, me knock him out, man. And then when he wake up, he marks, but what happened, man? They say entrance.
Hey, girl.
Fowlie, here one now.
Fowlie.
You see, this is the right way I see dancehall going. You see, if you and somebody have, we call it a misunderstanding, want it to ash out. Like, because dancehall in such a positive place now for
Yeah, we don't
UK,
need the
me don't
negativity.
want the negative vibe going on. It two on an artist and it two on the always the same place. I mean, know in my art, you not like him and him not like you. But you see all things fixed on the life.
Yeah,
Even
man,
when
it
it start
fix, man.
off on a negative
Because
note,
if you
it
listen
fix.
Danny Bless, you know, if you listen Danny Bless can tell us, say, yo, Fowlie Don. no artist.
Fowlie Don, why you
Listen.
style man by playing
Listen
song on the live? Jesus
Listen,
Christ, man.
hey, you know you're wicked. You know, hey, Jagan, you know
I
you're
saw
wicked.
it started off.
If you
real.
listen, Danny Bless interview them, you know. Danny
That's why
Bless
you
can tell you,
started
say, yo, when Fowlie Don are the artist when me watch before me watch a Fowlie Don performance before me go if me or DJ me or perform.
Wait, give up again.
No. Him see how artists work and how artists project themselves.
I think I stop again.
No.
But you feel that I work against you because all right, your social side and your artist side, you don't feel like it's a
Clashing.
It's a clash.
No. Because you are going to know. You see people adore goodness and see what you're trying to say or
And
see
it's
what
the
you're trying
brand
to
of
do.
Fowlie Don
And also,
anyway.
listen, One Don TV is not just a TV. One Don TV is a registered TV.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So, me entitled to talk about my artists them,
Right.
my fellow brother them in the business.
Right.
Some artists when me hear them sing and me no hear them a play. Hey, listen me now. From the start that you know much art, you know much selector call me for some artist song. Me can name many. Me I'll call all artists and say, yo, send a song over here. So me tired of this. Me not do no pay. Me not do no.
middle
When you call
person.
something the phone, no?
Yeah.
Go deal with the people them.
Yeah.
Send on no jingles.
Yeah.
Send on no song. Send one jingles.
Yeah.
Talk to the people them. Put them in on no
But,
email. So
Fowlie
when
Don.
on no email out to no song, when on email out to no song, them in on no email line.
Fowlie Don.
Fowlie Don.
But hold on then. Like how you've been doing the One Don TV, why don't you kind of
30
build
seconds.
a business
Yeah.
to be that middleman to bridge that gap between artist and selector? Because I see you play a whole heap of the arts them song when nothing me no have. Why don't you create that into a business for bridge that
No.
gap?
I ain't gonna be no artist agent. Because
Hold on,
listen me now.
it's not an agent.
It's an agent. It's an
not-
agent.
no.
It's an agent. Once you go no,
Yeah.
start bridge a gap between selectors and me and say me call Rick now. I say Rick, you hear me? Me have
Number
one
one
bad song here
artist
from Mafia, you know.
Yeah.
Me I send it come give for a year, you know.
Artist
It's
not
what I'm
paying
saying.
for do it.
So it's an agent.
Yeah,
I,
but a
I
business.
become the
But
agent.
then-
No, me no want that business.
But Fowlie, hold
that
on,
business
Fowlie.
they have people them where you no forgetting now no surrounding. Some
no,
people will feel link.
Fowlie, no.
Me need them people around me.
Hold
you
on,
know.
understand this.
Me
Hold on,
me need them the people
Fowlie Don.
around me.
Understand this now. A lot of these artists out the road where make some good music, they are not connected to the hardcore dancer like you are. You have a hardcore dancehall crowd, and lot of them have make some good song
They
where them
just
want
want
a
a
little
foot
look
in.
in
And
there.
listen me now, yeah.
So if you
I
can reach out,
understand.
because you know the selector them and you know who
Listen,
feel reach out to.
You can make money.
You know, hear me I tell you a while.
Then why can't you assemble a team
listen,
to do that?
you know,
And you say you
30
listen.
seconds, guys.
listen,
30
listen.
seconds.
You know,
30
hear me I tell you,
seconds.
say, you know. You know, hear me I tell
He's
you.
not
say,
going
I
to be
have
no
done that.
agent.
I have done that. I have selected, have linked me. I'm send artists and go give them 3, 4, 5 songs, different
So you're
artists.
saying that you don't want to make
I
an
don't
income
want-
from that
no,
because
I-
it doesn't bring you any joy.
It doesn't bring me for
Well, that's
take
not
something
problem.
from an
let's
artist
hold on,
to give somebody his music.
Let's leave it there.
Let's leave it there. We reach our
Yeah.
ladies and gentlemen. Enough that what if I think them they're for talk about it, but the time is
Time is
quite
up.
limited. But there is a segment of our show that Fowlie Don has to do before he leaves.
Yeah, man, any segment, man. Which segment?
Before you
You
do
see,
that,
one done.
I want to make a public invitation to an artist where we see been around and we need conversation with her. I don't want just to talk to her up on the live because she know she have a lot to
Who's
say.
that? Mafia?
Mafia.
Mafiela, we take the invitation, man.
Drop
She
us
will,
a message.
Mafiela,
Actually,
let me tell you
Public
something.
We link you
invitation.
tomorrow. We link you tomorrow.
Where you use a word, eh? Yo,
What?
everything nice round here. Everything good round here.
Yeah.
So, when you no get invite by Upnlive show, the whole team is here and everything is provided for you. The place is clean. Can no find no house dirty, you know. The place is clean. Yeah, me like that. Me like that settings here. You get what I'm saying?
Anyway.
And you see, yo, artists, wanna see how Jagan try to beat me bad boy
No,
UK.
no man nah beat. I want to
listen,
brother.
Jagan.
But
No
yeah,
man nah
but
beat.
it's-
No
man
man
can
round
beat me
here.
round.
Doesn't
What
make-
are you just saying?
But listen me now. Make
That's
sure say,
where's the
wanna
wife?
make sure wanna defend on yourself out there.
Yeah.
Because Jagan is not an easy person.
But we have
We have to ask what
Yeah,
what
true.
All right, Dragon, I hear segment.
Hold
is
on,
still,
if
you
we
know.
don't ask, that means that we not do work good.
True,
We
man.
don't mix up. But we
Yeah.
just ask it
Yeah,
to
man.
them.
Blessed love.
Your
man.
section this. Talk
Hold on,
talk
here we go on now.
Big
This
up
I party
I2K.
just start like bars and rare cause you know what you think already. Me I play already, me I put on some bars.
Yeah, man. Nice, man. Watch out now.
big up I2K the live.
I took it. Shanty force the whole world. Jill is at the team. Big up yourself now. What a style, now. Dirty house girl, me no want no dirty house girl. Dirty house girl, me no want no dirty house girl. Talk up inna the video from your house clean girl. Dirty house girl, me no want no dirty house girl. March out me girl from your house clean girl. Reach a girl yard, me don't even want water fi drink, you know. A dirty plate them a pile up inna them sink, you know. Jazz in a corner throw down look dirty and stink, you know. Mattress piece out of the first me see for chink, you know. She pull a door, yo me. Watch a style and no. Jagana, where them a deal with? Where the girl them there? Baby, if you know bad, me no want you. Bad girl, I chew your bad, make me call you. Bad girl, you have to know when to ring and text me. Like when you know when to see me and no call me. If you know bad, me no want you. Bad girl, I chew your bad, make me call you. Bad girl, you have to know when to ring and text me. Like when you know when to see me and no. I'm a bad girl, that too I'm a female charge it. See me and me woman a walk and just pass me. Look on me phone, me say bad girl text me. Say later on, no she want link me. Hey, link me later on at the usual spot. No shots, no bra. Rira look of rock. Come from the front, cause you know me bun back. I ball, cause you know some boy love chat. If you know bad, me no want you. Bad girl, I chew your bad, make me call you. Bad girl, you have to know when to ring and text me. Oh, where you have next, Jagan? Watch on now.
It gets serious.
It gets serious, son. Upnlive show the Lord and proud boss. One of a kind. Raga Rookie, big up yourself. When I hear that rhythm, I big up Raga Rookie. Shanty Force, Dan Bass, Ayapi. Tell you me no fuck broke girl. No, me no touch broke girl. One down me name and me no fuck broke girl. Pass. Go look a walk girl. Tell you me no touch broke girl. No, me no fuck broke girl. One down me name and me no touch broke girl. Pass. Go look a walk, girl. You know me did like ya, but just forget it. You just meet me and come and beg me credit. Girl, you know see say you dash where you married. I'm money time. If you know have it, girl, go get it. Where broke girl a go? Where broke girl a go? Broke girl one done no one so no. Where broke girl a go? Where broke girl a go? Jagan ya something else?
Jagan ready, man.
Jagan already.
Bang!
Bang bang. One to them, man. One done. Jagan. Where the ganja man them there? Watch out. As me waking at the morning, you me say a prayer. Then me jaw fi me chalice and go burn a fire. Then me ear up the king where rule the world liar. Babylon me no say me don't know say a fire. As me wake up in the morning, you me say a prayer. Then me jaw fi me chalice and go burn a fire. Then me ear up the king where rule the world liar. Babylon me no say me don't know say a fire. First of all, me have to big up all the weed farmer. The place can't run without Jamaica ganja. Go ask Jagan them yes are the answer. It good for your heart, it good for your asthma. It smoke by police, it smoke by the doctor. It smoke by the nurse, it smoke by the lawyer. Me plant marijuana, me grow marijuana, so marijuana. So dirty Babylon, me a tell no say fellow marijuana. Because me eat marijuana, me sleep marijuana, me drink marijuana. Down to the Pope and the Queen, them burn marijuana. So me go on George Bush and me go on Tony Blair. No stop them marijuana smuggling in the air. Upnlive round, me tell you them no care. Them place up them chalice and them do it them. As me wake up in the morning, now me say a prayer. Then me jaw for me. You think of that, Jagan? Jagan. Some dirty boy now mind them pitney from what there.
Yeah, I know.
All me want you to say is a thing when name run.
Run.
The old dirty boy them now mind no pitney.
Run.
Jagan. One job. Where that one a name? That one a name run. You no see your pitney mother come with the pitney na the pram outfit tumble down. Run. You no see your baby mother come with the pitney na the pram outfit tumble down. Run. You no see your baby mother come say she come fi box you down right now. Oh them is a shatter. Oh you see your baby mother and start to scatter. Champagne out the money and not about you a dapper. And your pitney them want food and diaper. Yo what's the matter London? Me love when me wake and me pitney them see me and say daddy, daddy. Hey,
he's out. He's out.
Yeah.
Circle.
Yo.
Circle.
Yo. Jagan.
Yo, what I know now?
One done.
Tell her, fire flames.
One thing I have to respect
Yeah.
with the artists and in the business a long time. I think they learn the performance side of
The
it.
technique.
The arts.
The arts, the technique.
The live DJ and everything because alright. You see a lot of these new artists. I think this is something you guys have to work on.
Jagan a drop shade now.
No, man, I drop my shit.
A real thing in
The
my
new
talk, man.
artists them have to work on this side because this side is a very vital part of the business because if you're out doing a concert or doing a freestyle or something, this is something that's gonna help you enhance your performance, enhance your craft, make people say, yo, that's your body name can do him thing, you know.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Feel.
Go ahead.
I'm feel like Fowlie Don have that legacy that we pass.
And you what going on now? Oh, you move and you drop the punani rhythm. How you do? You know?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Last 30 seconds.
Time against.
Hey, me tell you, listen now. Yes, when you're forward and you link Fowlie Don, you have to know what side of Fowlie Don.
No, but
listen now.
Fowlie Don.
Is either Fowlie Don what?
Your fault, you know?
No.
Because you know why it reached out? Because your social commentary gets so powerful. So we attack to you more than how we talk to you because you have so much things to talk about.
Acho, man. I know we not drop the bomb yet.
We not
go straight, you know. So, you know that something me here. You know figure, get back in our diary
because imagine the
next
first
year.
time you forward and we don't really ask who is Fowlie Don, but because you do so much things.
We don't go history, we don't talk about Ochi, we don't talk about your brother.
Ochi, we
don't talk about none of that.
Because you are going on El Clasico in a Real Madrid, a Barcelona a Real Madrid, a 90,000 in a stadium.
Alright.
You get what I'm saying? So we are
Last
trying
30
to.
seconds, guys.
Last 30 seconds?
Because we're
All
running
right.
out of time.
What's 30 seconds?
Put on the rhythm and then we close the show.
Yeah, close.
All right, no problem.
Any last words before we go? So big up the people.
Yeah,
that's
man, big
watching.
up. Listen
Thanks
now.
me.
Listen now. Big up everybody we locked on to Upnlive show. And listen me now. It's a good show. It's a beautiful show. I think the element of it is so great. You get what I'm saying? I'm like the settings. I'm like, oh, now go about to the business. And Rick and Upnlive, me know from when you start this. I'm like, oh, you see you. Me take this. Listen now. Listen now. You see the team where you have around you, it'll work. So most artists in the UK, they don't have a team.
Yeah.
If they have a team like you, like a team like that you have, you will see greatness and you will see greater. That's why when you see the artists them out there work, the young artists them and them are unite, you have to give them that strength and make sure say you tell them say keep it that way. Don't get bad mind, don't jealous. Big up everybody we locked on. That's what me I say.
You put on the rhythm cut to 15 seconds.
You understand?
15 seconds.
15 seconds?
Yeah, can you chat
You sure?
Yeah.
Chat out 15 all time.
Sing.
Them broke and it a show, who that? Dancehall party show, I no Rick that. Them broke and it a show, who that? Dancehall mascot, I no Jagan that. Barra people money, I no hype with it. I know our style, tell them feel low. We jump in the game, we no jump with standard. 3-star go hard globally. Talk truth, dancehall love Upnlive.
Yeah.
Nobody did it like Jagger Ravers and Mikey Jake did it. Jagger na beat them in the Benz. Money it a make so we know what we are. Where them do again?
Yeah. No, listen.
Them broke and it a show.
Finish it.
Dancehall puppy show. Are you that? Them broke and it a show. Who that? Dancehall mascot.
Yes.
Are you? Watch out now, man. Let me tell you something. Dancehall enough to run it down. Dancehall swallow them and spit them out like a bubble gum. We see them a do gal body. We see them a do gal breast. And a pay gal rent and them a da down a yard under stress. Look now, 6 months, no money landlord no get and your mother phone disconnect then one make them a baka. Watch out now, man. Upnlive.
Listen, the whole over Instagram about dog. I'm pure flames. Them
Hear
on
me
the
now,
street.
big up
Fowlie
Flick.
Don.
Listen me now, I don't know my artist. Big up Flicker Dan.
Yeah.
Over there in Jamaica.
Big up.
Yeah,
who
big
is
up
on the
Flicker
live
Dan.
as well.
Flicker Dan, big up
Yeah, big up everybody with the on the live. Upnlive is a pleasure to be here.
Thank you ever so much, Fowlie.
No,
for
Flicker,
coming
here one
through.
now, Flicker.
We
Remember, we have to
appreciate
redo that something, the kind last one.
Yes.
Remember some whole part technical, like, you know,
Don't
it thing go
worry.
with it there, we yard, you know. The
Don't
first,
worry.
Yeah, man, and
you
you are going. Me have to big up my female artist. Big up Tassonia.
Yes.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, mama.
Big up yourself,
Have you sent her an invite yet?
She
sir,
has
All
been
right.
here.
All right.
Don't
Cool.
answer. No. Don't answer that question.
No, it's a forward invitation.
No. Don't answer because
All
if
right,
you watch
cool.
the show and don't say.
All right, that's
when
one
I
you
was
being here. Big up my female artist
Thank
and
you.
big up Shanti Force. You know my artist, a
Thank
style
you.
of British.
Yeah.
You get
Yeah.
what I'm saying? You know, a great impact, Big Zeeks, the whole works. And big up River over there on the south side. Big up Big Chain, the whole works. Big up Bucky Joe. So many.
Yeah.
Big up Lion Wise, one of my real Kapachi.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Big up
Big
the
up-
whole team. We out there. Big up Jelisa. Big up everybody we locked on.
Everybody.
And Rick,
Big
it's a
up-
pleasure to be here.
Me give you credit for Shanti Force career because the first time forward at England, I mean I listened to all we hear Shanti Force was via your live. Not even live, but you doing over Mystic Studio over them
Yeah.
time there. When you share forward there, so And this is the first place.
Yeah, man, I'm a
Shanty
young
Force.
general, man. You know Shanty Force,
Yeah.
the monk side.
And you first send one
you.
I sang them and say, yo, listen
man.
to artists, so big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Get the
Yeah,
credit.
man.
Yo,
Yeah,
Your
man.
food.
Don't move.
That's why I want some of these things
Yeah.
documented. That's when the younger generation get older, they could refer to some of the greats and say, yo,
Yeah.
like how we know Bounty Killer does the Vice Cartel and we want to refer to some point in a certain man career and we say, yo,
Him
these
did
are
that.
the turning moment and him introduce him to these people. That's
Exactly.
why
Yeah, man, and
we
the
need to
same thing,
document
and
some
the
of
same
these
thing with
things.
Shanty Force, you know, because Shanty Force forward through the ranks. So Shanty Force know
How the
how
thing
talented
sit.
people, artists go. That's why I say that Shanty Force could have introduced Bandit to me and other person. You get what I'm
Right.
saying? So big up the whole works, man. We out here
And
we
big
doing
up
the work.
yourself, Fowlie. Thank
Yeah, man,
you ever
and-
so
and
much for passing through
you know,
and thank you for accepting
You know,
the
your name
invitation.
always a slip me, you know.
Me not gonna tell you
That
what
one-
you call me.
that
No.
long-
Me not gonna tell you what you
I
call
name
me.
long.
But ladies and gentlemen, we are out of time. Thank you for joining us here tonight. Remember to check us out every Tuesday
Yeah.
between 9 and 11. We're sponsored by Shishprint, and we're gonna take you out with our theme song by Records Elements. Every great thing takes
time.
Blessings and see you next week.
You be
Mic is off.
more time I pray.
Love your brother, love your sister, love ruling everything you do. They want us to read a book in the brain poor is the main poor, right? Rockers Elements.
Simple, sir.
ITUBIG. Up and line. We fight for your cards for them not necessary. Say them mean you well, but them well want you bury. Seasonal changes are atmospheric. After A+ grades, not even a merit. Everything I till the potland. When belly full, them tell you say you have no hot song. Chaja ways can't say we choose no other option. One thing we learn from this mission.
Upnlive with every battle when me fight me grow. And every victory we have the scar for sure. So the world will know our climb. Cause every great thing takes time. And yes, you reap the seeds you sow. So beg your Jaja, give me strength to go. So the world will know our climb. Cause every great thing takes time.
DJ Rick, DJ Dragon.
Everything takes time.
All stars.
Long time we are fight with that show, yeah.
Up on life for many years, man, I tried this journey.
Oi!
Ask Mother Yvonne, Mother Miss, they can't tell the healer scars when fire burn me. Much defeat,
No for understand race and jump out.
standing firm though it cheated repeatedly. Watch many doors close to be reopened. Every denial became a proof.
Fowlie Don, the artist ready, rough and rugged.
There was no
Sometimes I feel like you would have stopped.
only Jah know.
When you feel like giving up, but your mind says keep on toiling. It's a stage when them fight till it brings you up. But you have
Tell him again.
Upnlive with every battle when me fight me grow. And every victory we have the scar for sure. So the world will know our climb.
Cause every great thing takes time.
And yes, you reap the seed.
Once to up everybody who locked on this evening. I'll give thanks, you know. Steady growth to the right growth, right?
Our climb.
Swear.
Every great thing takes time.
Until next week. Once I love your brother, love your sister.
With every
Let love rule in everything you do. Once I read a book in them, say brain poison, more and power, right?
I've learned
Peace.
true strength